everything is real except for the boiler. A video takes you to understand the skid-mounted boiler. In order to better solve the pain point that customers will not install boilers, EPCB introduced skid-mounted boilers to solve customer transportation and installation problems. This is a skid-mounted boiler model, which can more intuitively show the installation and connection of the installation, piping and auxiliary machinery accessories. This series of boiler system is to install the boiler body and boiler auxiliary equipment on a base. Customers only need to connect the gas/oil pipeline, water supply pipeline, and circuit to complete boiler commissioning and facilitate user installation. Through the integrated skid mounting and fixing of boiler body and relevant auxiliary accessories, the entire boiler integrity is improved, and then improve the entire boiler convenience of transportation. The boiler system can realize remote maintenance. Professional installation makes the operation efficiency more guaranteed, help you save energy, emission reduction and operation cost. EPCB, your private boiler system expert.